Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to cut and sew this flared dress. I made the tutorial very simple. You see how it fits so perfectly. Yes, if you're done watching this video you should be able to make exactly what I have on. I'll be drafting this on a pattern paper. So here is my paper like this. I have squared out a line. This line is where I'm going to start from. So I'm going to place my tape rule going off for the off shoulder 7 inches. And then I'm going to take the length of the armhole here. From here to here, mine is 10 inches. I'll mark that here. You use your own measurement. So from there, I'll also take the length of the dress. I'll mark it here. In my own case is 40. So I'll go ahead and square this line out. So on this line, I'm going to take the width of the neckline. I'm going to mark 6 inches. And on the bust line, on the armhole line, I'm going to mark the bust divided by 4 minus 1 and mark it here. I'll go ahead and connect this like this. Next, I'm going to mark the hemline. So from the center front, I'm going to go out 18.5 inches. You can make yours to be 20 or 21 at most. So I'll go ahead and mark that and connect this line from the armhole to the hemline. Just go ahead and connect it like that to give you an A-line shape. Next, I'm going to come up 3.5 inches at the hemline like that, and I'm going to connect this as a curve like this so that the side seam will not look funny. So I'm going to go ahead and add sewing allowance to that. I'm going to add 1/2 inch sewing allowance to all of them. Both the side seam, the armhole and the side seam, just add 1/2 inch sewing allowance all around. And for the hemline, I'm going to add 1 inch and the hemline. So with this, the pattern is ready. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. When cutting this on the fabric, you're going to place this center front on fold and you're going to cut 2 pieces, both for the front and the back. So this is it after cutting it, and I decided to change my neckline. I want it to be the width of my brass strap, so I'm going to make this 5 inches and I'm going to add 1/2 inch sewing allowance to that, which will make it 5.5. So in your own case, you can use your own brass strap width. So I'm going to connect this to the 1/2 inch joining allowance at the side seam like this. Next is to sew this. So I'm going to take away this pattern paper. As you can see, this is 4, meaning 2 unfold, 1 for the front, 1 for the back. So I'm going to go ahead and cut facing for this. This is the facing that I've got for it. Let me put it so you can see. I also cut 2 pieces of this, and also I have The straps that I made is 2 inches width and the length is 14 inches, but I later change it to 12 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this like this and make the loops. So this is it after making the loops. I'm going to place this like this. Note that I have left ½ inch joining allowance before placing the strap. So I'm going to go to the machine now and place the facing like this. Make sure to pin down the strap and sew here. After sewing it, then you sew the armhole. So this is it after sewing it. As you can see how neat it is. Look at the facing, how it's looking very neat. Next is for us to sew the back. So I'm going to place the back like this, and I'm going to place the spaghetti strap on it, making sure to leave ½ inch joining allowance to the armhole like this. And I'm going to place the facing on it and sew it just as exactly as I sew the front. So first I'm going to sew the neckline and then the armhole. So this is it after sewing it, as you can see. Then you are going to place this right side facing together. Make sure you open out the facing. You open out the facing like this so that you have a very clean finished look. So I'm going to go ahead and sew the side seam starting from the facing. So after sewing it, this is how neat it's looking. Can you see? Yeah, make sure to iron this properly. I'll go ahead and wear this for you guys to see the fitting on me. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, it's been a long while. I gave a shout out to my subscribers, my supporters. I appreciate your sharing my video out, dropping comments on my videos, engaging on my videos and liking them. I appreciate a whole lot, and most of all, sharing my video out to your social media handle. I appreciate. I can see you guys in my community tab. To my first watchers, if this is your first time watching my video, welcome to my channel. Here I make sure I upload very simple tutorials and DIY. So if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe and turn on all notification bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be able to see them. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.